Now I want to drill a 1-inch hole, 25 mm hole. 1-inch hole for 25 mm fitting. To drill a 1-inch hole, 25 mm fitting, you need a larger drill. Okay, hole drill. You need 32 mm in order to drill a 25 mm fitting hole. Yeah. So the drill start from the drill bit, then only it cut the hole for accuracy. Okay. See. See. See, penetrated. Okay. See, penetrated. And I want to advise, this is half-inch hole. Do not drill through the old hole, because the center drill bit cannot leave a center accurate mark. That's why you see he will cut through the old wall. So I suggest you to put a block stopper or a valve. See what I mean? You put a stopper or a valve. You put a stopper, a valve or a stopper. This is the stopper. Okay, do not cut through the old hole. Okay, do not cut through the old hole. You will not accurate. Cut on the drill on the other side. Okay, that's it. Bye.